The FGCU library has launched a new tool called Reading Lists that uses a cloud-based service called Leganto. Reading Lists is a tool that you can use in Canvas that is a little bit like the course reserve service that libraries have always offered, but with the freedom to add almost any type of resource you want, and it's delivered right inside your Canvas course. Reading Lists brings together library materials, professor-owned materials, and open access books, videos, or websites into one customizable list that can be accessed and edited in Canvas. Reading Lists can be reused in multiple places and over different semesters easily. There are lots of advantages to using Reading Lists to embed resources into your course. First, if the library has items on reserve for your course or owns the textbook for your course, library staff have already added these items to your course reading list, and enabling the list in Canvas will make those items visible to your students right away. The Reading List platform allows librarians and library staff to continue to collaborate with you on building your reading list if you want help to add more items. The built-in library search tool in the Reading List makes it easy to connect to ebooks and articles owned by the library, eliminating the need to type in citations or locate the right URL for a resource. The Reading List platform is part of our integrated library system that we use for the library catalog, so this will help you keep your links to library-owned resources up to date without any maintenance. The Reading List lets you see how many students have viewed or downloaded items on your list so that you can tailor your communication to the class or make adjustments to readings that may be more challenging. Reading lists, even though they are easily embedded in Canvas, are hosted separately from Canvas, so you can easily duplicate and reuse lists from semester to semester without having to manage clunky course copies or exports. It is also a platform designed for resources like books, articles, or websites, so you won't have to look through multiple modules, pages, or file directories in Canvas to find the resources you put into the course. You can get started using your reading list by enabling reading lists in your Canvas course navigation. You can do this by going to your course settings and selecting the navigation tab. Look for reading lists all the way at the bottom of the list. Enable that item and save. Then you'll see the reading list item show up as an option on the side of your course. If your library has already started a list for you with your course reserves or textbooks, it will automatically show up. From there, you can add or edit items. If you don't already have a list started for you, you'll see a screen like this. You can start your own reading list with any name that you'd like, and you can select from a template that will give you options for organization by week or by type of reading, or you can start from scratch. See the rest of our guide about reading lists to learn more about adding additional items, organizing your lists, or to learn more about the advanced features of the reading lists.